Hello and welcome back, everyone. Change the following sentences into the negative form. The first one is an example. To be. To be. Julia is a nurse. Julia is a nurse. Julia isn't a nurse. Julia isn't a nurse. To like. To like. I like oranges. I like oranges. I don't like oranges. I don't like oranges. 3. To work. To work. He works for me. He works for me. He doesn't work for me. He doesn't work for me. 4. To be. To be. Anne and Pedro are married. Anne and Pedro are married. Anne and Pedro aren't married. Anne and Pedro aren't married. 5. To be. To be. I'm bored. I'm bored. I'm not bored. I'm not bored. 6. To be. To be. Gary is a primary school teacher. Gary is a primary school teacher. Gary isn't a primary school teacher. Gary isn't a primary school teacher. 7. To have. To have. Noah has a fever. Noah has a fever. Noah doesn't have a fever. Noah doesn't have a fever. 8. To want. To want. George wants an ice cream. George wants an ice cream. Yum. George doesn't want an ice cream. George doesn't want an ice cream. Number 9. To have got. To have got. Carla has got a BMW. Carla has got a BMW. Carla hasn't got a BMW. Carla hasn't got a BMW. Number 10. To love. To love. Jack loves his wife. Jack loves his wife. Jack doesn't love his wife. Jack doesn't love his wife. 11. To live. To live. They live in London. They live in London. They don't live in London. They don't live in London. 12. To play. To play. We play tennis at the weekends. We play tennis at the weekends. We don't play tennis at the weekends. We don't play tennis at the weekends. 13. To play. To play. I play the piano. I play the piano. I don't play the piano. I don't play the piano. 14. Can. Can. Patricia can ride a bike. Patricia can ride a bike. Patricia can't ride a bike. Patricia can't ride a bike. 15. To do. To do. My wife and I do a lot of housework. My wife and I do a lot of housework. My wife and I don't do a lot of housework. My wife and I don't do a lot of housework. Number 16. To have. To have. My parents have 2 houses. My parents have 2 houses. My parents don't have 2 houses. My parents don't have 2 houses. 17. To want. To want. They want to sell the apartment. They want to sell the apartment. They don't want to sell the apartment. They don't want to sell the apartment. 18. Must. Must. You must call her. You must call her. You mustn't call her. You mustn't call her. 19. To be. To be. You're tired. You're tired. You're not tired. You're not tired. You aren't tired. You aren't tired. 20. To need. To need. I need your help. I need your help. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. 21. To care. To care. She cares about her work. She cares about her work. She doesn't care about her work. She doesn't care about her work. 22. To call. To call. She calls me on Fridays. She calls me on Fridays. She doesn't call me on Fridays. She doesn't call me on Fridays. 23. To understand. To understand. I understand. I understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. 24. To know. To know. You know her. You know her. You don't know her. You don't know her. 25. To think. To think. I think she's pregnant. I think she's pregnant. I don't think she's pregnant. I don't think she's pregnant. 26. To be. To be. He's here. He's here. He isn't here. He isn't here. He's not here. He's not here. 27. To go. To go. My children go to school by bus. My children go to school by bus. My children don't go to school by bus. My children don't go to school by bus. 28. To go. To go. Linda goes to the dentist every 6 months. Linda goes to the dentist every 6 months. Linda doesn't go to the dentist every 6 months. Linda doesn't go to the dentist every 6 months. 29. To work. To work. Bob works on Mondays. Bob works on Mondays. Bob doesn't work on Mondays. Bob doesn't work on Mondays. And finally, number 30. To have got. To have got. We've got 2 daughters. We've got 2 daughters. We haven't got 2 daughters. We haven't got 2 daughters. And that's it for another video, everyone. Thank you very much for watching. Please do watch it again and watch more of our videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.